There is a fake photo of handcuffed Lumbwe at Entebbe causing online storm for police, and therefore it's making Ugandan police to speak in tongues about this photo, saying that it wasn't Fred Lumbwe, but it was someone else. Hello, welcome, and thanks for taking your time joining us live on Projan Media TV. That brings the latest news and the latest updates in the country and across the world. Kindly do one thing, subscribe and turn on the notification button for all these updates. After the reported impending deportation of controversial cyber activist that is Fred Kajubi Lumbwe ending in tears for the majority of regime sympathizers, there is an image of his look-alike on handcuffs, and it has emerged on the internet. The man closely identical to the National Unity Platform propagandist clad in a blue t-shirt and a black trouser being escorted by two armed counter-terrorism cops has been making rounds online on social media, giving an impression that Lumbwe is already in Uganda. The image, which has sent reports of panic among National Unity Platform fanatics, was captioned with a statement from police stating that the man is actually not Lumbwe but a different suspect held on allegations of issuing fake travel documents. According to Kampala Metropolitan Police Deputy Spokesperson, that is Luke Owesigire, the suspect is identified as Peter Sempewa, a 29-year-old arrested by the aviation police at Entebbe, and he was arrested in connection to forging vaccination certificates for un-Interpol letters which he has been selling to intending travelers. The explanation by the police has seemingly failed to stick into the minds of the highly suspicious Ugandans who have variously claimed that police could be playing a diversion, yet the suspect in their custody is indeed their man, Fred Lumbwe. And according to the police, the man they are seeing is not Fred Lumbwe, but a different man who has been arrested by the Uganda Aviation in Entebbe Airport, reason being that he forged some fake certificates of COVID-19, trying to give vaccines to people or travelers in the plane. So, well, that is it for now. We'll keep on updating with more of this. Kindly do one thing. Subscribe and turn on the notification button for all these updates. Once again, thanks for watching Projan Media TV.